How to fix SOS Only on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your phone is stuck in SOS or SOS Only mode, then it could be because of your mobile network issue. So the first fix for this issue is swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and simply enable airplane mode on your device and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then disable the airplane mode again, as this will refresh the network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone. So simply power off your iPhone completely and wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute and then power it on again and see if your network is covered fully. If not, then you can try to move to an open area and then see if others are facing the same network issue. And if yes, then it could be that your phone is facing the issue. So you might need to simply go ahead and remove the SIM card from your iPhone and then gently clean the SIM card, the SIM tray, and the SIM port and reinsert it and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on cellular and then on network selection. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for automatically and then select your carrier manually. Also, toggle off the toggle button for turn on this line toggle button for the time being and then toggle it on again. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset the network settings, and doing this will delete your Wi-Fi password and reset your network settings and bring them back to factory defaults. Now, in settings again, in general again, tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version for your iPhone and the network to work smoothly. And if not, then update your iPhone, and this will help in fix the bugs from the network selection. Next, and the last fix for this issue is in settings again, go ahead and disable VPN if you are connected to VPN, as VPNs can block cellular networks. So this was about how you can fix SOS Only on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.